What's up, guys? And today in this video I just wanted to show you we got a pack right here. This is my first pack of the day. Chamberlain is good. He scored 100 points with the 76ers. Got nothing. Got Jimmy Butler. Okay, then. And until we get a diamond. I don't know. Okay. Robinson, we're getting it until we get a diamond, guys. There we go. Anthony Davis. Okay, so now we're going to be doing a giraffe box. Right here. That's the point guard. Boy, we got a Vince Carter. Net. Sorry guys if this is awkwardly. I have to hold it with my left hand, and that's not my dominant hand. That rest was trash, but that one. Okay, let's go with him. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys down right here. Okay, then Charles Smith. Oh, Al Jefferson. Got Al Jefferson. Now let's see what else is on the bench. Whoa, that was actually a good pack. Well, for the Browns. That was a trash pack. Except for Nate Cabinet back. I don't know his name. Well, his last name, I don't know. Come on. Okay. Mike Bibby. Okay. Let's go with him. Draymond. We're gonna go with Draymond Green. Okay. We're gonna go with Tony Parker. Okay, and then we're gonna go with Kyle Lowry. Then we're gonna go with Joe Johnson. Yes. Okay, now for this final pack. Might be good, might be bad. Let's just see what it is, okay? Okay, that was the pack. We got Isaiah Thomas in it. Oh man. Well, that's our draft, guys. So, that would be it for this video, guys. See you guys next time.